Hi guys, for those of you that don't know, my name is Michael and I am the woodworker for MK Designs. Yes, I start all my videos out like that, and that will probably continue. Guys, last night was awesome. It really was. I'm still a little dumbfounded. I picked up over 80 subscribers just on that one live session with James, and thank you guys so much. I don't want to jinx it, but let's keep it going. Okay, we are currently right now we are at 176 subscribers, which means we broke the 100. Yay! So yes, I am going to start working on the 100 subscriber build and giveaway video. I didn't have it already done because last night when I started the thing, I was at 93 subscribers, and I didn't expect to hit it this quick. I knew I'd pick up some last night. I'd probably hit the 100 last night, but it just floored me. It really did. So I don't want to. I keep going back and forth on this as to whether to tell you guys what it is or not, or to wait for the video. And my wife's the only one that's given me any advice on it so far. I'll tell you what it is. I'm not going to show you. I have one that I made for her and for my mom for Christmas, and I could easily show you what it is, but what I'm going to do instead is I'm just going to tell you what it is, and I'll show you the design in the video. I'm giving away a keepsake box made from the curly maple, and it's going to have Baduke lid and bottom and yellow heart for accents. Everybody that sees this box just absolutely falls in love with the thing, and so I figured that would be a really good giveaway for 100 subscribers. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. I will go into details in that video on what you need to do in order to qualify to win. It's going to be real simple, nothing outlandish or anything like that. And yeah, so when I get done with this video, I am going to clean off my table, and I'm going to bring that curly maple out here, and I am going to start cutting it down and milling it, and I'm going to start making the box. And that video will be later this week. I'm hoping for Thursday, but don't hold your breath because weather, life, but it will be this week. It will be this week. I'm not going to guarantee a day, but it will be this week. I'm hoping for Thursday. We'll see how it goes. So once again, thank you so much, guys. We finally made it. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you now, the next giveaway will be at 500 subscribers. And then from there, it will be 1,000. And then from that one, it will be 5,000. And we'll keep going on up from there. And I've got to figure out a way to top this one. So if you guys have any ideas, please let me know. But yes, thank you guys so much. And I'm going to get started on the build. I'm going to get started on the video. And until next time, guys, happy creating.